Jackhammer has stuff to say to the rock sticks face to face.
Okay, last time me and you were in a ring together, I beat you in a ladder match for this. You could have won, but you just didn't. So now, a non-title Extreme Rules match, I'm challenging you to one now.
Alrighty
You
then.
accept? I accept.
Alrighty then. I guess on with the match. As you can see, the Jackhammer set up deadly weapons around the ring. Oh, he's looking for the pedigree already. Wait, he's reversing it. That wasn't a power bomb either.
Just slamming him.
Slamming him. Looking for pedigree again. Oh, that time it was actually pedigree. The other time is some sort of slam thing. What's under there? Oh my gosh, bricks.
Come on, get up.
No, don't get up. Oh! 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 Just wearing him out. Oh! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Is this what you want? He accepted them. Is this what you wanted?
Oh!
Just shattering it.
Shatter it away.
No. Oh.
Telling him to stop. He doesn't like what's going on here. Oh! One, two. What's he doing that with that staff? Oh! Oh! Just hitting him with that staff. Oh! Hit him right in the nuts. 1, 2. He's out.
1,
2. Spine buster. 1, 2. I have to say, the Jackhammer is one of the best superstars. He's always tends to win, and always tends to get helped by people. I think he might be one of the favorites in this match. Oh, I stole that brick from the rock sticks. Oh, spine buster! All right.
looking for spear.
Oh! He missed. He runs away. Ooh, German suplex. Keeps trying to go for that German suplex. It's kind of working. There we go. German suplex.
Take your spear. Spear.
Spear right over there. Dragging him back into the ring. 1, 2. Got out. What's he doing with his championship?
Come on. Ooh.
He's held it for a long time. Held that championship for so long. Why is it always the rock sticks? He's always losing. Oh my gosh. He was just started going crazy right there.
But that's his arm swing.
1, 2. Got out. What's he doing? Big boot. Oh! RKO!
Okay, make him submit.
What's he going for? Oh, looks like sharpshooter or something.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, hold on. What's he going for now? For Walls of Jericho. He's screaming. He hates this. Kick to the stomach. He's outside the ring. Kick to the head. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. Taking him back in a submission hold. Is he gonna? Oh, he got out. I thought for sure he was gonna tap. Spine buster. What now?
Don't do a
He's telling him not to do a power bomb. All right. What's he looking for now? Dropped him. What now? Oh, is he looking for sharpshooter again? Oh wait, no.
Figure 4.
Figure 4. I thought it was going. He's tapping. He's tapping. He's won. Spear. Looking for tombstone. Tombstone. Alright, that's enough for tonight. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.